So I hate screwing things up, screwing in nuts. When you screw up, you have to unscrew all the things you screwed up, and that really sucks. So I want to talk about a tool that I've started using that is this magical DeWalt gyroscopic screwdriver. And what I get for it is the 5mm prop hex. And I get the MIP speed tips, which, if you don't know, these are one of the best tips for any kind of hobby size screw, any of the M3s, and it just pops in there easy, and then you're ready to go. And this thing, what's really cool about it is you hold down the trigger, and then it's just a gyroscope. So it makes it really convenient to take off props. And so if I want to take off my props, I just start turning a bit, and boom, it's off. And then put it on super fast and easy. I just set to the max on the clutch, turn it, and then turn it off. Give it a final twist, and it's on real good. And especially, taking apart quads all the time, these MIP speed tips just come in so handy, and they just fit right there on the top, so you always have them. And whenever I take this out to the field, everybody's asking to use it because it's so nice. So I definitely recommend getting it. It's worth the $100. It is pretty much the best thing out there. And when you buy it, you want to make sure you get the one with the clutch. There is the more common one actually comes without the clutch, and you can also tell the difference because the one with the clutch has this handle that can actually rotate, and I don't believe the one without the clutch has that. So I'll place the part number here, and just go for that. You won't regret it.